Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again to another wonderful tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at the best strategy which we are going to be using for scalping the boom and crash market. The strategy is so perfect that you can take 5 consecutive candles without having any fear of spike at all, guys. Do you understand that? Without having any fear of spikes at all. So with this strategy you can take 5 candles perfectly without being afraid if a spike is going to come or not. And guys, the most insane part of this strategy is that you can actually catch these ticks, that is these candles, you can scalp them even if the boom, you can actually scalp the market even if the boom is on an uptrend or the crash is on a downtrend. Without further ado, let me introduce you guys to the indicator for this. First of all, you tap on your screen and then you click on the F icon. Don't worry about this, guys. This is another indicator that we are going to be using in this channel. This indicator is specifically for catching spikes. You guys don't want to miss that. All right, so if you've not subscribed, please go subscribe, follow, like, and you can also share this video. All right, what you want to do is click on the F plus on the main chart. As you can see there, the indicator we're going to be using, the first one is the moving average. Okay, we're going to be using the first one as period 20. The shift should be 0, the measure should be exponential, apply to close, style is 2 pixel, and you can leave it to be blue. Once you are having this, you click on done, which is what you're having here. The next thing, you should click on your screen again. You go to the you go to the F button again, you click on main chart again, F plus on main chart, moving average. This is going to be the last one, guys, and this time we're going to be using 50. That is just it, guys. And then you change the color, change this color to red or green, whichever one you like. All right, or let me use green. Green means go. All right, let's use green. Okay, so this is just the settings: 50, 0, exponential, close, 2 pixel, and green. After that, you click on done, and guys, this is it. This is it. To take trades in this, I'm going to be doing another short video on how you enter market with this. All right, so I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, if you really wants to enjoy more on how to make money on boom and crash. Okay, without further ado, I hope you guys love this video. See you guys later.